Welcome back to day 4. We tried joining the same small letters like A, B, 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 leaving the little finger space. So we did that till Z. And also we tried writing from A to Z, joining thrice. And then we started off with 3-letter words again, first letter being the capital one. So since we learned in day 3 that there is a dot space, joining and 3 dot space, we use the same thing to do this 3-letter words. That is, you can notice that in P you have 3 dot space, for D you have a dot space, A is joining, B is joining, like that. And also we tried writing a few proverbs like this. And also we tried maintaining the alignment. And this is what we did in day 4.
Looking for online tutoring at affordable prices? At Shiva's Tuitions, we offer high-quality online classes, one-on-one and small groups for all grades, trusted by over 2,000 plus parents worldwide. Book a free demo today.